Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to sign into Valorant on your Windows computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So once you've downloaded the client to your computer, just select the desktop shortcut that says Valorant. You can also search for it in the search menu as well. Just search for Valorant here. And whether you're trying to sign into Riot client or the Valorant client, just double click on that shortcut. And now at this point, you just would go ahead and enter in your credentials into the appropriate fields here. So let me just go ahead and enter that in. And then you would just select the little red button to proceed. And there you go, guys. You've now been signed in. You may have to accept the terms of service. You have to scroll through it to accept it. And then accept. And then you can select the play button here and you're good to go. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.